Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have installed. 2 months update on this Allove hair. I'm gonna leave the original video in the description box for you, and of course all the details for this wig, where to find it, where to buy it, and all that good stuff will be in the description box. So the details on this wig: it is a 4x4 lace front closure wig. So it goes from here to here. It is in 26 inches. It is classified as the straight texture and 10A quality. Now, my research about 10A quality wigs, that usually means that the hair is like really full from root to tip, and they grade that 8A, 4A, or whatever. This is supposed to be the highest quality of that. Do I think that this is 10A? No, I don't think so, but this is the 150 density. I definitely feel like the density could be more for 150. A lot of companies will give you this amount of hair for a straight wig, so it's not like super shocking or surprising that it's this thick or thin, depending on which way you're looking at it. Are you a glass half full or a half empty? It depends. But for me personally, I think it could have been fuller for 150 density, and also it could have been a little bit longer. I think this is pretty much hitting me like where a 24-inch would hit me. I don't know. I have 26-inch wigs that seem a lot longer than that, and this wig is going for $210 US. It is a medium lace color, and it also is 100% virgin hair. After 2 months, what is my opinion on the hair? Certain things I definitely didn't like was the flyaways. There are a lot of flyaways on this unit. I don't have them tamed. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it could definitely use some wax stick, that's for sure. And I'm gonna just brush it out. So this hair is pretty shiny and smooth when you straighten it, and it definitely doesn't need to be straightened every day or washed every day. Some wigs, when you get them, you have to wash them like every single day in order for it to look good. This is definitely not one of those wigs, so I would say it's not high maintenance at all, which is always a good thing. You guys can see it still looks really healthy, but you guys know I have a lot of wigs, and I guess sent a lot of wigs, so I definitely don't spend as much time on one particular wig compared to like what somebody else might spend that time with. I know that I've had it for 2 months, but I haven't worn it every day for 2 months, and I'm just gonna be honest. I've worn it a few times, and it definitely still looks really good. It feels really soft. My hands are running through it so easily. It's not snagging. Now the ends look a little, they look a little dry and thin, right? Like I feel like the ends could definitely be thicker. Like that's where I would improve this wig, is because that to me is not okay. This is the wig. It's not like freshly washed or anything. I don't have any products in the hair. This is its natural luster, but I was able to, you know, take it out of the bag and like straighten it pretty straight. It doesn't have a bad smell. The hair smells like, actually like my perfume. Which perfume is this? It might be it smells like my Valentino perfume. I do like this wig, and the cap is really comfortable. The hair does look really good. It looks a lot better than some of the more recent wigs that I have. So I can honestly say that this is good hair, you guys. I would recommend it. And again, this is 2 months update on this wig. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see more update videos from me? If you do, comment below which wigs you'd like to see updates on. Of course, you know, it's better if we wait like a few months in order to actually give an honest update. Definitely let me know. Definitely. Well, I just said definitely like 10 times in the last 10 seconds. Anyways, girl, I gotta go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and like, comment, and obviously subscribe for more content like this, guys. Bye.